Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I go by Hiram or Bogwa. So today I'll be going over the Java output stream class. Now we've already looked into the input stream class, specifically the file input stream class, which allowed us to read from a file that we had in our local machine. Now what we're going to do is the opposite, where we will write to a file utilizing the Java file output stream class. So with that, I'll go ahead and define the file output stream variable. So here, as you can see, I've defined my file output stream class, which, as you might have already guessed, extends the output stream class. And as here we can see, it extends the output stream class, which allows us to set that variable to be output stream type due to polymorphism. Now here we have a compilation error because there's an exception that's not handled. And like I stated before, we can either add that to the method where we will have it as throws the exception, and let me go ahead and add that. And here it says throws file not found exception. But in this instance, we don't want to do that, because if we're throwing the exception in our main method, then that means as soon as it throws that exception, the program will crash. But we want to handle it gracefully. So here I'll do a try catch statement. Now next, I'll go ahead and write to the file. I'll start by creating a message that we can write to the file. So I've defined this little message here. Hi, my name is Hiram and welcome to Code Rush community. And let me now write that to the file. Now, as you can see here in the output stream class, we have this write method, and I'll click into it, which throws an IO exception, and that allows us to write to an actual file. But the thing to note here is we're passing bytes. We're actually not passing the string itself. So, but with my string class, I'm able to get the bytes of that message, and it will write that message out. So it's pretty much just message.getBytes. So with that, here, let me handle this other exception. Here, handle the IO exception. So before I run it, let's go ahead and check out that folder and see if we do have this file, which we don't. As you can see here, in my dev files directory, we don't have the output.txt file. So in this instance, this code will actually create the file for us and then write the message. So with that, I'll go ahead and execute it. And as you can see, it finished just fine without throwing any exception, because if it threw an exception, we would have seen that statement written out here. So now let's go to the folder and see the file for us. And here it is, output.txt. And if we open that up, hi, my name is Hiram and welcome to Code Rush community. So that's the basics of output stream class. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. And also check me out on Instagram at coderush.io.